Hello, I'm Martin, and we are living in some really challenging times at the moment, aren't we? And the government has said to us that it's really important that we stay physically well and also that we stay mentally well too. And over the years we've written a number of health books that might just help us think about ways in which we can get fit and get healthy and also improve our mental agility. So we have this book called Start Line. So this is a publication that we wrote a couple of 3 years ago with a fellow runner, Jeff Cumber. And this book is all about how to start running, to get off the couch, and how to become fit and think about stretching and nutrition and all sorts of different things around how to run and how to enjoy the experience. Now, I know that we can't run very far these days, can we? But we can actually kind of jog around the streets just to help us keep a little bit fitter. If running is not your bag and maybe cycling is more your tipple, we have this book called Cycle for Work. And Cycle for Work was written on the back of a ride that we did a couple of years ago from Land's End to John O'Groats. And this talks not just about the ride, so it's fully illustrated, explains all about the different locations that we rode through in the UK. But this book also talks a lot about how to set up your bicycle, how to maintain your bike, how to ride in a safe manner, and also how to wear the correct clothing to become ultra visible. So Cycle for Work, another opportunity to think about getting outside. I know we can't cycle from Land's End to John O'Groats now, can we? But what we can do is we can tootle around the streets a little bit. If you are a parent or a carer of young children, we have this book called Have Fun with Fitness, and this was created in partnership with the local primary school in Halifax, Salterhebble School. And again, this is a fully illustrated book. It's a lovely story, a beautiful story about nutrition, about fitness, about family, about well-being, and it's designed to be actually read to very young children, but also children who may be 7 or 8 or 9 years old can of course read that themselves. So how do you gain access to these books? Well, the Start Line book and the Have Fun with Fitness book are on Amazon and on Waterstones, and the contact details for that the links will be at the back of the video. But the Cycle for Work book is not on the internet, but we have a number of copies available here in the office. So if you want the Cycle for Work book, then please just go onto our website, Lattitude7.co.uk, and just leave your contact details. We will post you a free copy of Cycle for Work, and all we ask you to do is just make a small donation to a local charity here in Brighouse called Focus for Hope. Now, Focus for Hope, they help the vulnerable and the elderly with food banks and clothing and transport and all sorts of other things. And they're doing an absolutely amazing job, particularly during these challenging times. So thank you very much indeed, and all I would say is please stay safe, stay well. Thank you.